and welcome back to Mind Mentor. Today, we have an exciting topic for all of you who are on a journey to master the English language. We'll be discussing some valuable English language learning tips that can help you improve your language skills quickly and effectively. Whether you're a beginner or looking to take your English to the next level, these tips will guide you in the right direction. So, let's dive in. Tip 1. Consistent practice. Tip number 1 is all about consistency. Learning a new language is like building a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Make English a part of your daily routine. You can set aside dedicated time for reading, listening, speaking, and writing in English. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Tip 2. Immersion. Immersion is key to language learning. Surround yourself with English as much as possible. Watch English language movies, TV shows, and YouTube channels. Listen to English podcasts and music. It's a fun way to familiarize yourself with the language's rhythm and pronunciation. Tip 3. Vocabulary building. Our third tip focuses on vocabulary. Expanding your vocabulary is essential. Keep a vocabulary journal to jot down new words you come across. Use flashcards, apps, or online tools to help you memorize and reinforce your word bank. Remember, a rich vocabulary is your ticket to better communication. Tip 4. Grammar and structure. Grammar may seem intimidating, but it's the backbone of any language. Learning grammar rules and sentence structure is crucial. Take your time to understand the basics, and as you progress, you can tackle more complex aspects of English grammar. Tip 5. Speak and engage with native speakers. One of the most effective ways to learn a language is by speaking with native speakers. Join language exchange programs, attend conversation clubs, or find language partners online. Speaking with native speakers helps you improve your pronunciation and gain valuable insights into colloquial language use. Tip 6. Read regularly. Reading is a powerful tool for language development. Start with simpler materials like children's books or graded readers, and gradually move on to more complex texts. Reading exposes you to various writing styles, sentence structures, and vocabulary. Tip 7. Set achievable goals. Setting achievable goals is vital. Establish specific, measurable, and realistic language learning objectives. It could be mastering a certain number of words, completing a language course, or having a conversation without hesitation. Goals give you direction and motivation. Tip 8. Be patient and persistent. Finally, remember that language learning is a journey, and like any journey, it has its ups and downs. Be patient with yourself, and don't be discouraged by setbacks. Consistent effort and persistence will pay off in the end. Just remember that learning a new language is a rewarding experience, and the more you enjoy the process, the faster you'll improve. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more language learning content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!